Problem 61. Let f be a function from a to b defined by f of x equals x minus 1 over x minus 2. Here we're given the domain. It's the set of real numbers except 2, and the codomain is the set of real numbers except 1. Then f is, and we have a couple choices. So it looks like we have to find the inverse of this function. So f of x is equal to x minus 1 over x minus 2. So to find the inverse, the first thing we do is we replace f of x with y. So y is equal to x minus 1 over x minus 2. Normally we would switch the x and the y and then solve for y. However, here all of the choices are functions of y. So all we have to do now is solve this equation for x. So to do that, we will multiply both sides by x minus 2. And then likewise x minus 2 over here. These cancel, so we get x minus 2 times y. And then here we're left with x minus 1. And again, we're looking for x. X is going to be a function of y. It's the inverse function. Now we'll go ahead and distribute. X times y is xy. Then minus 2 times y. And here this is equal to x minus 1. Again, we're looking for x. So what we'll do next is we'll put all of the x's on one side by themselves. So minus x, and then we'll get rid of this 2y by adding it to both sides. Plus 2y, plus 2y. These cancel, so we get xy minus x equals, that's a y there, so it'll be 2y minus 1. To finish solving for x, we have to factor out an x here, right? So we get x, parentheses y minus 1, equals 2y minus 1. Almost there. Last thing to do is divide by y minus 1. So divide by y minus 1, divide by y minus 1. These cancel, so x is equal to 2y minus 1 over y minus 1. This is a function of y. This is our inverse function. So our inverse function in this case is f inverse of y is equal to 2y minus 1 over y minus 1. And this makes sense as long as y is not equal to 1. And it's not. Y is in the set B, which is the real numbers minus the number 1. So we're okay. Life is good. So this is the correct answer. And looks like it would be choice number 2 in this case. That's it. This is a problem from JEE, the exam, the online version. That's it.